Good afternoon, fifth graders. This is Miss Elaine, and I hope that this tutorial finds you all happy and healthy. Now, the spelling list that we are currently studying all have silent letters, and that is why I bring you this tutorial today to recognize words with silent letters. And at the end of the tutorial, I hope that you will know how to spell words with silent letters correctly. Can you remember any words that begin with WR? Words like right, wrestle. Can you remember any words that begin KN? Words like know, knowledge, knife. And then can you remember any words that begin with PS? Words like pseudo, psychology. What are silent letters? Silent letters are letters that appear in a spelling of words, but they don't make a sound. Now we could ask ourselves, how is it that English has so many silent letters? And by looking at it, we realize that historical change over many years have brought silent letters into the English language. Letters were also added to make spelling look Latin or French. Then again, words were borrowed from other languages, especially with regards to science. And then sound combinations were too difficult to say, and therefore certain sounds of letters were skipped. Now, to get us started with some rules that are applied when writing silent letters in words, as a rule of thumb, a silent B occurs after M in words like lamb, thumb, and bomb. And then the silent B also occurs before T, as in a word like debt. A silent K can be found before N in words like knee and knife. In words like gnome and gnat, a silent G can be found before N. Now here are few examples of the silent L that follow the vowels A, O, and U. And the examples are calf, salmon, chalk, and yolk. Now, when I read the following words, if you listen to the words, you'll think that they all start with R. But if you need to write them, you have to start with W, because a silent W often goes before R. And the words are, just listen carefully, wrapper, wrestle, wrist, rake. It all sounds like these words start with R, but they don't. They all have a silent W that goes before the R. Now that you've learned a few rules that are applied when writing or spelling words that have silent letters, your teacher will post a worksheet on Class Dojo for you to complete. During your Zoom lesson, your teacher will go over the worksheet with you, and you can do the worksheet independently afterwards. Good luck, stay safe, and have a good day.